Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock ICICI Prudential Limited. This is a company comes under direct management of ICICI Bank. So it's good to take swing trades in such stocks which has a backup of big companies. Now I have found a swing trade opportunity in this stock. Let us analyze the stock on technical basis. This is the monthly chart of ICICI Prudential Limited. Look at the candles on listing. It's almost very weak on listing, but after 4 to 5 months, it gained a momentum and gave some return of more than 100%. And once it at the 450 range, it started consolidating, and it also fell below the listing price, and after hitting the same level of price, it once again gained a momentum, and it also consolidated, which is almost considered as a distribution zone, because look at the candles here. Almost five months it's in the same range, so it can be taken as the distribution zone. And once the distribution was over, the stock fell drastically on March 2020, which is a COVID fall. But the COVID fall shows a weakness because the buyers involved in the stock and took the price up till the half of the candle. So the buyers is always present in the stock. Now look at the candles here. The bullish candles is very much higher, and the levels of the volume is almost increasing every month. Look at the red candles here. Red volumes. The red volumes are very less in comparison with green candles. So it's good to take long positions in such stocks. I have found a swing trade opportunity. Let us discuss the swing trade analysis in weekly chart. This is the weekly chart. The stock was on the range for more than 4 years, but now this time it's different. This time it's different is a most captive word. Whenever this word comes, there will be a drastical move or drastical fall in some stocks. This time it gave a different move here. It broke the major resistance level with high bullishness. Look at the volumes here. Volume is also very good. So it's good to go long in this stock. The stock broke the major resistance level. This is the weekly chart of ICICI Prudential. It broke the major resistance level in weekly chart. So it's good for going long, and also it's good for investing purposes also. Now let's analyze in further. Look at the candle here. The candle is very huge, and the sellers are almost 10% of the buyers. And look at the breakout candle here. The breakout candle and the candle next to the breakout candle comprises of sellers and buyers equally, but the next candle above the resistance level is quite weak, because look at the range of the price movement here. It's almost within the range of 50 bucks for more than a week. So we can consider this as a weakness for sellers. So it's good to go long in this stock. And look at the candle here. This is the candle printed this week. This shows a wide range of selling came down, and the sellers are observed by buyers, and just above the opening, the closing were placed, so it's good to go long in the stock. I suggest you to consider hitting subscribe button to our channel and click on the bell icon to get the instant notifications of the videos published. If you like the video, hit like button, which will encourage us to do such videos in future, and feel free to comment below and also suggest us some stocks which you want to analyze in our style. So now let's move to the daily chart analysis to take entry and exit in the stock. And one can go long once the stock breaks the level of 570. So 570 can be taken as the entry for the stock, and I'm using the fib extension tool to analyze the entry and target for the stock. Once the stock breaks the level of 570, one can take 597, which is around 600, as the first target for the stock, and 675 can be taken as the second target for the stock. This is just for swing trade analysis, but for investment purposes, one can take positions based on your risk appetite. But before investing, take down the ratios in consideration, and this company is based on insurance, which is almost a good profitable business, because look at the average deaths happen after taking insurance. It's almost less than the policy takers, so it's always pretend to be a profitable company. So going and taking long positions in the stock with huge investment is also good to make your wealth for future. Look at the retracement in the stock. It's a perfect retracement after hitting the support level, so it's good to go long in the stock. Take entry above 577 range, which is above 570 range, and first target is at 597 range, which is around 600 range, and 675 can be taken as the target for the stock for swing trade purposes.